Are you a homeowner facing financial challenges and looking for a way out? Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing the real estate industry, especially for distressed sellers like you. If you're worried about how to sell your home quickly and for a fair price, this video will show you how AI can be the solution you've been searching for. Throughout this video, we'll explore how AI can take the stress out of selling your home, giving you back control and peace of mind. And remember, the decisions you make today can significantly impact your financial future, so it's crucial to stay informed. One of the biggest advancements in real estate today is the use of AI for property valuation and market analysis. Companies like Zillow, Redfin, and Opendoor have developed powerful AI tools that allow homeowners to get instant and accurate estimates of their property's value, right from their phone or computer. If you want to work with a real estate investment team that's using the latest AI tools to help you sell your home quickly and at a fair price, visit our website at equityinvestmentsllc.com. We're here to provide you with personalized assistance tailored to your needs. Let's break that down a bit. Imagine you're in a situation where you need to sell quickly due to financial strain. Traditionally, you'd have to rely on a real estate agent's estimate, which could vary significantly depending on the agent's experience and market knowledge. Now, with AI tools, you can get a detailed analysis in minutes, cutting out much of the guesswork and helping you price your home competitively. For example, let's say your neighbor sold their home for a great price last month. AI tools can analyze that sale, compare it to your home, and adjust for differences in size, condition, and even current market trends. This means you're not just pricing based on a gut feeling, but on solid data that reflects what buyers are actually paying right now. For someone in your position, this means no more guessing games or worrying if you're getting a fair offer. These tools put you in control, helping you make the best decision for your financial future. And as we'll discuss later, knowing how to use these tools effectively can be a game changer. But it wasn't always this advanced. In the early days, online tools for estimating your home's value were quite basic. They relied on simple inputs like square footage and location, often providing rough estimates that weren't very accurate. Do you remember the early versions of Zillow Zestimate or those basic calculators on Realtor.com? They were useful, but nothing like what we have today. Back then, it was easy to feel lost and overwhelmed with the process of selling a home. I remember hearing stories of homeowners who, after listing their homes based on these early tools, found themselves sitting on the market for months without any serious offers. The lack of accurate data meant that homes were often overpriced or underpriced, leaving sellers in a difficult position. Today's AI tools have changed that, offering precise data and insights tailored to your specific situation. These tools not only consider the basic factors, but also dig deep into local market trends, buyer behavior, and even economic indicators that might affect your home's value. This evolution has given sellers a powerful toolset to make more informed decisions and avoid the pitfalls of the past. And in just a moment, I'll show you how to use these tools to get a competitive edge in the market, even if you're under financial pressure. But first, let's take a closer look at how these tools have evolved. Today, AI has taken home valuation to a whole new level. These tools analyze vast amounts of data, recent sales, neighborhood trends, economic indicators, you name it. The result? Homeowners get a more precise and dynamic understanding of their property's worth. Platforms like Opendoor even offer instant cash offers based on this comprehensive data analysis. This is a game changer for distressed sellers, as it means you can sell your home quickly without the uncertainty and stress of traditional selling methods. Imagine being able to receive a cash offer within days, based on real-time market data, rather than waiting weeks or even months for the right buyer to come along. Today's real estate investors are leveraging these same AI tools to make fast and fair offers to homeowners in need of a quick sale. By analyzing large data sets and identifying trends in the local market, investors can provide competitive offers that reflect the true value of your home. This approach not only speeds up the process, but also ensures that you're getting a deal that's aligned with current market conditions, helping you move forward without the usual delays and uncertainties of traditional sales. If you're finding this information helpful and want personalized assistance to sell your home quickly and effectively, visit our website at equityinvestmentsllc.com. Fill out our simple form, and one of our experts will get in touch with you to guide you through the process. Stick around because I'm going to share practical tips on how to leverage these tools to sell your home faster and with less stress. But first, let's dive into some of the more unusual aspects of AI in real estate today. Now, here's where it gets a bit weird. AI sometimes makes decisions based on patterns that aren't obvious to us. It might predict your home's value will skyrocket because of a new development project miles away, or a shift in the local demographics. And these valuations can change overnight as the AI continuously monitors market fluctuations. The AI Real Estate Revolution video by Future Proof also highlights some unusual trends, such as AI algorithms prioritizing homes based on buyer activity rather than just location or size. This can lead to surprising spikes in interest or value, catching even experienced professionals off guard. But as a seller, this could play to your advantage, giving you unexpected opportunities to get a better deal. For instance, if an AI algorithm detects a sudden increase in buyer activity in your area, maybe due to a new employer moving into town or a popular school being rezoned, it could boost your home's visibility to potential buyers. This could result in multiple offers, driving up the sale price. But it's also important to stay aware and keep a close eye on these AI predictions, as they can be quite volatile and may require quick decision-making. In the next section, I'll share how to navigate these unpredictable AI-driven shifts to make sure you stay ahead of the curve and turn these quirks into opportunities. From my perspective, AI is leveling the playing field in real estate. Homeowners now have access to the kind of detailed market data that was once only available to professionals. This empowerment is invaluable, especially in times of financial distress. But remember, while these tools are powerful, they shouldn't replace human judgment. Sometimes the insights of a local expert or your own understanding of your home's unique value can be just as important. As we look to the future, AI will only become more integrated into the real estate process, giving sellers even more tools to take control of their sales. But knowing how and when to use these tools will be key to your success. It's like having a powerful tool in your toolbox. Knowing when and how to use it makes all the difference. And before we wrap up, I'll leave you with some actionable steps you can take right now to use AI to your advantage. Whether you're looking to sell immediately or planning ahead, these steps will help you get the most out of today's AI-driven real estate tools. 1. Start with a reliable valuation tool. Use AI-driven platforms like Zillow or Redfin to get an accurate estimate of your home's value based on current market data. These tools help you understand your property's worth and set a competitive price. 2. Monitor market trends. Regularly, keep an eye on local market trends using AI tools that track neighborhood sales and buyer behavior. This allows you to time your sale effectively, ensuring you enter the market when conditions are favorable. 3. Enhance your listing. Use AI tools to optimize your listing by highlighting features that attract buyers based on current demand. This can include adjusting your listing's language, photos, and pricing strategy to align with what's popular in your area. 4. Consult with a local expert or real estate investor. Combine AI insights with the expertise of a real estate professional or investor who understands your local market. Real estate investors are increasingly using AI tools to provide quick and fair cash offers, allowing you to bypass the traditional listing process, which can take months. These investors typically buy properties as is, so you won't need to worry about making repairs or renovations. This approach helps you sell your home quickly and efficiently, leveraging both AI data and the practical experience of professionals who can offer tailored solutions. 5. Consider quick sale options. For homeowners in urgent need of selling, real estate investors can offer quick sale options. Using AI to analyze market data and property specifics, investors can make competitive offers swiftly. Platforms like Opendoor are also examples where AI-driven analysis can result in instant offers, but working directly with a local investor might give you more personalized and flexible options. Before you go, here's a quick tip. When using AI tools, always double-check the data with a trusted real estate professional to ensure you're making the best decision. AI is powerful, but combining it with human expertise gives you the best of both worlds. Thanks for watching.